Hello everyone. We are doing another hair growth challenge. All I'm doing is using the oil that I had before as far as the do grow. I have it in hot water, melting it so I can be able to add in the wild growth hair oil into this applicator. So I really feel like I had good results with that, and so why not continue on using some type of hair oil to get my hair back growing and keep it moist in the process of what I'm doing, especially me having the braids and all. And then in the process of that, because while I have my braids, I am shampooing my hair with the Do Grow and the conditioner. And so everything is working out great. I will continue on doing this. So today is July the 7th. The next time I'll probably come on here and show you what my growth looking like. Okay, this is what it's looking like now. So we can compare next time. Let me see here. Ooh, yeah, look at it. I think we're ready. Look at that. I think we're ready. Okay, we're gonna add, I'm not gonna mess with that. That's all I need. We're gonna add this in here. And then we're gonna open this, making sure, let me see, put a hole or something in it, because it's brand new. And this costs, what was the price at? Did it come off? It was like, oh no, here it is, $8.99. It's $9. $9. Did I put the hole in it? Okay. So, let's see here. I don't know. I'm just eyeballing it, y'all. I'm sorry. Y'all not gonna be able to see anything. Let me see, because I don't either. I'm just squirting it in. I mean, y'all have no idea. I have no idea how much I'm putting in there. You know what? We're gonna just have to eyeball it. I mean, y'all can't see in there. I'm sorry. Y'all can't see. But anyway, at least you know it's in there. And I don't think we should have to. I'm not gonna use a lot of it. From what I done put in there, I think it should do just fine. We know this is what it looked like. Let me see what it feels like on my scalp. Okay. 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 I smell like medicine. I do, y'all. It smells like medicine. Okay. Mix it really well. And it's going to come out really thin. Okay. And so, we know what I'm getting ready to do. Lord knows. I want to get ready to distribute it through my hair. Today is July the 7th, you all. Let's see. Can y'all see it? Okay, I'm going to take this. You have to realize a lot's going to come out because it's warm. And with this much coming out, you already know tomorrow is July the 8th. I will not be oiling it. Okay? Let me bring it up a little bit so I'm not like... And I do want it to get on my hair, because my hair is short. Okay, that should be enough. Oh, can y'all see me? Yeah, y'all can see. All right. It feels good, y'all. And this is on a clean scalp, so my hair is clean. Gonna rub the sides, my edges. And believe it or not, I always say that. I always say believe it or not. Okay. I'll tell you something else I'm gonna do. Ooh, Lord, be careful when don't rub out no braids. I will be making me an appointment in August, and I will be getting my hair rebraided. So you will get a chance to see how short my hair really is. Oil in my hair. We're gonna take it to a whole nother level. I don't need to wrap this hair here because this is just nothing but synthetic hair, and my hair's not way down there. You see the steam coming off of it? Okay. Alrighty. This is what's going on, okay? Some more steam. So, even though we have braids in our hair, that we still can treat and take care of it. Now, this was the 2 wet towels that was in the bag here. Now I'm going to take it. Giving myself a hot oil treatment because this is on a clean scalp. My hair is clean. The things we do, huh? The things we do. I don't want that. Look at this, trying to give me a hard time. I don't need that. Matter of fact, mainly you are drawing heat on your scalp. Okay, and if you want to sit, let's twist it and tuck it. Because I'm not going to be playing with no bag, you know that. Okay, if you want to take it to another level, and I know it probably seems like, okay, that should be enough. The bag should hold it in, it should be just fine. But if you want to keep it even longer, okay, I'm just giving you another hint. You can take the towel right here. Take it. Go and lay down for a minute. Go lay down in the bed for a minute. Get you a good book. Or go and look at all your comments and answer them while you're chilling, getting a hot oil treatment, treating yourself and your hair. Come back. You know. I'm going to let it sit. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Matter of fact, maybe I'll go look at some of my comments. I'll be back. Okay. Now, we have plenty enough time for what I was saying, that you can put a towel on your head. If you have a shower cap, you can apply that on your head and go relax. And allow the plastic bag and your heating towels underneath to steam and moist and open up your cuticles. So this shower cap is a big cap, and I had lost the elasticity on it at one time. And all I do is just put a little rubber band on the back of it. Like that. Sister, don't be throwing stuff away. Just take it. Here, see how big it is? The elasticity is, or the elastic is right here. I must be thinking of the hair about the elasticity. I'm getting ahead of myself. And that's it. Just add a rubber band on the back. Ta-da! All right, y'all. Let's get on to it. I don't want to make it long and drawn out. Okay. Unwrapping it. Put the wet towels. Oh, okay, they're still warm. And that's good. So now you can see Not only that, it's got the hair laying down. Remember how my hair was all wild, coming all out of the braids? So we can kind of remember what the edges look like. I just use my little fingers for it, you know. Okay. I done gave myself a hot oil treatment. Y'all can give yourself one. Always remember to massage. Oh my goodness. Oh honey, we're gonna get our hair to grow back. And like I say, don't forget, to do the nape and massage it, because that plays a big part for the back of your hair to grow as well. Whew. Okay, you all. See you so we can find out how much my hair has grown from this time now to August the 7th. See you in the next video. Bye.